Unlocking the power of the green screen effect on TikTok is more than just a clever trick. It's a gateway to endless creativity and self-expression. Whether you're looking to transport yourself to exotic locations, react to trending memes, or simply level up your storytelling, mastering TikTok's green screen is a must for any aspiring creator. Let's dive in and discover how you can harness this dynamic feature to captivate your audience and make your content stand out. First things first, you don't need expensive equipment or a professional studio to get started. TikTok's built-in green screen effect is designed to be accessible for everyone. All you need is your smartphone and a little imagination. Begin by opening the TikTok app and tapping the plus sign at the bottom of your screen to create a new video. Before you hit record, look for the Effects button, usually symbolized by a smiling face or magic wand, located to the left of the Record button. Tap it, and you'll be greeted by a library of effects. Swipe through until you find the iconic green screen effect, often depicted with a photo and a green background. Once you select the green screen effect, TikTok will prompt you to choose an image or video from your camera roll to serve as the new background. This is where the magic happens. Think about what you want your audience to see behind you. Is it a breathtaking beach, a favorite meme, or a screenshot of your latest achievement? The possibilities are limitless. After selecting your backdrop, you'll see yourself superimposed over the chosen image, in real time. Adjust your positioning and make sure you fit comfortably within the frame. Now, with your background set, it's time to record. Tap the red button and let your creativity flow. Speak, dance, react, or showcase your talents, all while your chosen background enhances your message. TikTok's green screen effect is surprisingly forgiving, even if lighting conditions aren't perfect. However, for the best results, film in a well-lit area and avoid wearing colors that blend into your backdrop, as this can cause some visual glitches. But don't stop there. TikTok offers more than just basic green screen. Explore variations like the green screen video effect, which lets you layer a moving video behind you, or experiment with multiple backgrounds in a single clip by pausing and switching images mid-recording. This technique is perfect for storytelling, tutorials, or creating funny transitions that keep your viewers engaged from start to finish. After you've finished recording, add your signature touch in the editing phase. Insert trending sounds, text overlays, stickers, and filters to amplify your message. Use Famety's expert tips. Keep your video concise, add a compelling caption, and engage viewers with a call to action. Encourage comments, shares, and likes to boost your reach on TikTok's algorithm. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly, interact with your audience, and keep experimenting with new backgrounds and effects to stay ahead of the curve. Don't forget, Famety is here to support your TikTok journey every step of the way. Whether you need more likes, followers, or engagement, our services are designed to help you shine across all social media platforms. With live support and a wide range of solutions, you can focus on creating while we handle the rest. The green screen effect isn't just a feature. It's your ticket to limitless storytelling. With TikTok and Famety by your side, you can turn any idea into viral content, connect with viewers worldwide, and build a brand that lasts. So, unleash your imagination, master the green screen, and watch your TikTok presence soar to new heights. Your journey starts now. Let's make your next video unforgettable.